Look good?
What are we doing today?
I don't know. What are we doing?
We're gonna go karting and see who's the fastest.
Oh yeah. All right. Well, welcome to Imperial TV. Yo, it's Sunday Fun Day. We're here at Lamborghini Houston. We're leaving to go to Andretti go-karting, of course, in about maybe, give and take, 5 minutes. I'm gonna be leaving them in my Raptor. I didn't bring my Lambo today. Figured out that the weather isn't that great, so like, you know what, I'll bring the Raptor. Not a bad idea. Let's see if they can keep up with me. Oh my God. But stay tuned, guys. We're gonna have a great time. Ciao. Oh, haha! Got me doing laundry. All right, I'm ready to race. Let's go, guys. We're about to have some fun. Mash up the place. So we're here at Andretti, ready to ride some serious go-karting, you know. Pretty much are serious because they're going about 30 miles an hour on indoors. 30 miles an hour? That's a lot. That's fast. Let's check them out.
Nice pickup truck.
Oh, thank you. Hi, welcome to Andretti. Come. Wow! Pablo! Amazing. Hungry, but it's amazing. It was amazing. The hangover was wearing off. Ready? Grab the beer and give it to me. Ready? And then we cheers. Grab the beer. Ready? Ready. One. Ready. 1, 2. Cheers, boys. Oh. Marco. Take your fucking money. Dionisio. Hi, I'm an alcoholic. It's kind of like, you know, the church don't get
Look right here.
don't keep that.
Look right here for a minute.
Yeah, I'm not that fast. Takes a lot for me to be, you know, somewhere. Third place. I'm so proud of myself. You hold it like this or you hold it like this? You hold it like this. No, it's very cool. I won a trophy. Check this out. I want to thank Indigo, Lamborghini / McLaren Houston for such a great event over here at Andretti. The race was awesome, very intense. I'm kind of a little bit sore, but it's all good. Sunday Funday did not end yet. Now that I got a trophy, I'm gonna go and show it off. Well, until next time, guys, please subscribe. Imperial TV. Ciao. See ya.